Counting for Shillong and Tura parliamentary constituency in the state of Meghalaya has finally successfully completed and results have been declared. The Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari said that in Shillong constituency, Dr. Ricky Andrew Singkon, candidate of VPP, secured 5,71,078 votes, while Congress candidate Vincent Pala got 1,99,168 votes. VPP won the election by a margin of 3,71,910 votes. NPP candidate Amperine Lingdo secured 1,86,488 votes, while the UDP candidate Robert June Kharjarinch secured 44,563. Altogether, there were 11,008 Nota voters, while there were 646 rejected votes. In Tura parliamentary constituency, Saleng Sangma from the INC secured 3,83,990 votes, while NPP's Agatha Sangma secured 2,28,678 votes. TMC leader Zenith Sangma managed 48,709 votes. Nota got 5,840 votes, while there were 603 rejected votes, and Saleng Sangma won the election by a margin of 1,55,241 votes.
1,99,168 votes. And Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Singkon has won the Shillong parliamentary constituency with a margin of 3,71,910 votes. Other candidates, Dr. Amperine Lingdo from National People's Party has secured 1,86,488 votes.
And now here is